If you live in an apartment, a dorm, or spend your time on the road in an RV, you know the struggle of a kitchen without a dishwasher. Stop wasting your precious time standing at the sink and let the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher do the heavy lifting for you. It's compact, incredibly efficient, and designed to fit perfectly on your countertop without requiring any major plumbing modifications. Even though it's small, this machine is a total powerhouse. It's Energy Star rated, so you're saving on both your water and electricity bills every time you run a load. Here's why this is the perfect solution for your compact kitchen. 6-place sitting capacity. Don't let the Mini in the name fool you. It offers enough space to handle a full day's worth of dishes for a small household, including dinner plates, bowls, and silverware. 8 versatile washing programs. Whether you're dealing with heavily soiled pots and pans, delicate glassware, or baby bottles that need extra sanitization, this unit has you covered. It includes specific cycles for speed when you're in a hurry, baby care for high-temperature sterilization, and ECO to maximize efficiency. Truly portable design, this dishwasher is built for flexibility. It's easy to connect to your kitchen faucet, making it perfect for rentals, dorms, or even your RV setup. You get all the convenience of a built-in dishwasher in a form factor that fits your lifestyle. Quiet and efficient. Nobody wants a noisy appliance in a small living space. The COMFEE is designed to run quietly, so you can enjoy your evening without the roar of a traditional, clunky dishwasher. Modern convenience. The intuitive control panel makes it easy to switch between programs, and the sleek, white finish looks clean and professional on any countertop. This isn't just a gadget, it's a quality of life upgrade. It transforms one of the most tedious daily chores into a load it and forget it experience, giving you back your time and keeping your kitchen clutter-free. If you are ready to stop washing dishes by hand and reclaim your kitchen counter, you can find the best price for the COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher by clicking the link below.